To buy LEAPs on Robinhood, you first need to understand what LEAPs are. LEAPs stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities, which are essentially long-term options contracts with expiration dates that are more than a year away. Before you start, make sure you have a Robinhood account and that you have enabled options trading in your account. If you have not done so, you can apply to enable options trading by going to the account settings and following the prompts. Once you have options trading enabled, navigate to the stock or ETF you want to buy LEAPs for. Type the ticker symbol of the stock in the search bar and select the stock. On the stocks page, swipe up to view the options contracts available. Select the contract that has an expiration date more than a year away. Choose whether you want to buy a call or put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the stock at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the stock at the strike price. After selecting the type of option, choose the strike price. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the stock. Next, select the number of contracts you want to buy. Keep in mind that each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Finally, review your order and submit it. Make sure you understand the risks associated with buying LEAPs and that you have a solid investment strategy in place. It is also important to note that buying LEAPs can be a high-risk and high-reward investment strategy. It is essential to do your research and understand the underlying stock and the options market before making any investment decisions. By following these steps, you can buy LEAPs on Robinhood and potentially benefit from long-term growth in the stock market. Always prioritize risk management and consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.